Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you a fun trick with an embossing folder from the All About Autumn suite. Here is my embossed All About Autumn card. I've used the oxidized paper for the leaves. That's part of the suite. You get two 12 by 12 pieces of each, and it's called the oxidized copper paper. It's currently not available, but it will be in stock in the next couple weeks. I used the Autumn Leaves bundle that's part of the All About Autumn suite. It has these lovely leaves with veins, sentiments, and a lot of fun extra dies, label dies, and texture dies as well. But the most fun thing that I used is this Distress Tile 3D embossing folder to create this look on a very vanilla piece of cardstock. I have used Cajun Craze, and I inked up the one side of the embossing folder that has the Stampin' Up logo on it. I've placed a piece of very vanilla inside, and then I ran it through, and it creates this really fun look. There's also a ribbon pack that's part of the suite with this really cool copper ribbon and the speckled dots, which will be back in stock around November 13th. So when I embossed this, it was 4 by 5 1/4, and I've trimmed it down to 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and I'm going to layer it on a piece of 4 by 5 1/4 Cajun Craze, and then I'm going to place that on a pretty peacock card base that is 11 by 4 1/4 tall, and I scored it at 5 1/2 so that it folds in half and creates a tent, or a hot dog card, as I like to call them. So I'm going to put all that together. So I've used the oxidized copper paper to cut out these large leaves from the dies. And I've also cut out a Cajun Craze and a pretty peacock piece. And I've used the adhesive sheets behind them so that it will be easy to just peel and stick these on the leaves to create the details of the veins. So I'm going to place this pretty peacock one up here, and then this oxidized copper one down here. And then I'm going to use some of the All About Autumn Designer Series paper. So for this piece, it is 4 by 1 inches. I'm just going to trim off both ends at about the same angle. And then I'm going to use dimensionals on this. And I'm going to put the dimensionals in between the leaves so that I know exactly where they're going to be. And now I'm going to stamp the sentiment, "I'm thankful for all you do." And this is one of the label dies from the Autumn Leaves dies. And then I'm going to add some of these lovely speckled dots. I'm going to do one down here and then 2 small ones over here. And then the last part is to make a bow, and I'm using my little bow maker. I have a video entitled "How to Make a Bow" that you can check out and learn how to use it and how to create one for yourself. I'm going to tie this really nice and tight, and I love this little easy bow maker because it creates beautiful bows, and their ties or tails are in the back. So I'm just going to attach it to a glue dot and then add it to the card about over here. And that is my inked embossing folder All About Autumn card. You can receive my card kit for the All About Autumn class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the All About Autumn card class.